Hello, my name's Lisa O'Moore and I'm the Associate Dean Academic for the Faculty of Engineering, Architecture and Information Technology at the University of Queensland. And it's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the University Collaboration Workshop for 2022. The workshop was initiated in 2016 by the UQ Women in Engineering team, and it aims to bring together universities across Australia and New Zealand who are striving to increase the gender balance in their engineering cohorts. From the initial agreement with our industry partners, it was important to form a collaborative network that would share knowledge and experiences so that greater female participation in engineering may be realised on a national scale. Although there are many different models in how this is being done, our goal of increasing the participation of women in engineering is the same. Through our diversity, we can learn from one another to ensure that our message is unified and that we can accelerate the proportion of women in engineering by sharing what works, what doesn't work, or what could be improved, and showing to everyone in the public how universities are collectively aligned towards a more equitable future for engineers.